Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm standing in the middle of this park with a piece of banana bread in my hand. We don't get yelled at. Hopefully I can demonstrate this here. These are cockatoos. That's what we have to deal with every day. Here, hold on to this. Here, do whatever with it next. Oh, you like this bird? Come on.
This way.
So yeah, these somebody demonstrated this to us here. Yeah, here. That's my hand. Ah, that was my hand, not the bread. So yeah, birds on shoulders, and this is not a zoo. It's just a tree that they hang around. Watch out. Yeah, they took most of my bread. I don't think they like the banana bread.
Kinda.
I wasn't sure about that. They're used to people, obviously. Can you snap a photo quick? Just push the top button and it'll capture it. Capture?
Yeah, it says capture. Okay.
Did it click or whatever?
I didn't hear it quick, but it said capture and it flashed.
And one of the dots should be yellow instead of white.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to that piece after he bit my hand. I kind of tossed it.
I'm sure one of them ate it already. Just take a chunk of this.
I don't think they like this stuff. It's too sweet. Yeah, you don't like that. Huh? Yeah, he's not.
Doesn't mind it.
But yeah, it's cool, dude. You gotta come to Australia to get birds landing on you. Act like a pirate, I guess. And he's just gonna, yeah, he's like, I don't know about this. Do you have anything? He bite your hand?
No.
He likes that. He'll eat that. Can't land on a shirt. Alright, off. Relax. Good, good. Odd tasting bread. I guess that's good. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Look at that dog. Look at that dog.
Ridiculous.
He stole it.
He stole it. Yeah, this is cool, dude. There's gonna be a mass flock of birds.
You've lost the bread. You've knocked the bread off, you silly billy. That's my hand. No, that's my hand. You lost the bread. You dropped it. Just do this. Somebody else's hand. Somebody else's.
I think I guess I only get three per shot. Yeah, but these birds. These are the ones that sound like the monkeys. When you get here, you're like, where are all the monkeys? And it's these birds. And these birds are like on the tracks of movies for Always in the Jungle, but they're actually just in Australia. Big parrot-like animals. That one really likes banana bread.
This one really likes my hair.
Nice. That's ridiculous.
Oh no.
Oh no. He ate right through it.
Smile, please.
Attracting attention here in more ways than one. And there's this duck. No fighting. We're fighting over the piece of banana bread. All right. What? Yeah.
Oh, there's a big chunk on the ground too, I suppose.
Yeah.
That's my finger.
I just dropped it, guy. All right. So yeah, when we got here, I said I have to capture this on tape, so it's captured, and it's great, it's hilarious. Yeah, my banana bread for $3.50. This one's not in very good shape.
Oh dear, he's not very happy, is he?
No, he doesn't look very good. No.
Oh, not happy. Not a happy bunny. They do that when they're depressed.
All right, I think we've attracted enough attention with our exploits here. And he's getting banana bread all over your jacket.
You know, I could be happy when I put this back in my pocket in a second.
He'll just hang on. He'll just grab wherever he can. The bird charmers. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them in the tree, and actually more probably on the ground now that I think they've taken care of most of that bread.
Come on.
So, yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
We're taking off.
Are you professional or did you just